So this is where we are staying. We have booked this whole villa for us. We have kept few clothes here for to make it get dry. These two chairs are for relaxing purpose. Now here is the entry, room number 285. We have already stayed here 2 days and now we are checking out. So now we have made room little messed up, but still I can show you how it looks like. So this is our living room. This is showcase. This is for relaxing purpose. And then there comes the main bedroom. This is how our bed looks like. I'll show you bed from all the three corners. And then this is the front view of our bed. So there is a TV, there is a mini fridge inside. If you want to see, I'll show you. So few things are available here. In case anyone want, they can take it. But there is a cost for everything. There is a cost for everything. I'll show you the menu cost too. This is the main menu. Beer can $10, Coke $5, Diet Coke $5, soda water $5, and so on. So compared to Indian rates, these rates are really expensive. Like potato chips, this potato chips, the one we get in India for 40 rupees or 30 rupees or maybe 20 rupees, we bought it here for $5, which is approximately 360 rupees. So yeah, things are costly here, but yes, this is how it is. This is electrical kettle. This is only we used to make our Maggie yesterday. And this is the wardrobe they have given to keep the clothes. This is good. This is actually good. Lot of things can come in it. I have made a mess. You can ignore it. So there is a locker room. There is a locker also there. Like we can set a lock and keep your expensive things inside. So this is how it is. This is how it looks like from top. And then comes our washroom. Show you first. This is our bathtub. And then at last we have our bathroom to take a bath, shower. Washrooms are pretty big and it is good. Has to be big. So that's our house tour. Today we are checking out to a different house. This was our stay for 3 days. Now we are checking out to a different house. New day has started. We had our breakfast and we have packed our luggage because we have to change our room to a new room. So we are waiting for the porter to come so that he can pick our belongings and keep in the other room, but he's making a delay, so we thought to have a walk. So for that reason we came. So how was your experience until now? You're liking it?
Yeah, I'm excited to go to new room.
New room?
New villa.
New villa.
Not room.
Not room, but a villa. It is beachfront view villa. So we are excited for it. Hold.
So
Come.
now we have little time. So we are going to
Until the porter comes.
yeah. So to go and watch the beach view.
Come, I'll show you. Baba is showing me, na? Huh?
I like to swing on this, but my Baba is not allowing. Oh my god.
I'll show you something unique. Not unique, but the place which I really love it. Watch. This one. You can go. I hope I won't fall down if I walk behind. But do I have to take a risk? So I'll walk straight. How's the view? How is the view? I really love it. मालदीव्स में बीच के अंदर तो बहुत ठंडी है, पानी के अंदर होगी ही। साला बाहर बहुत गर्मी है यार, और गर्मी से ज़्यादा ह्यूमिडिटी बहुत है। ह्यूमिडिटी मतलब कुछ ज़्यादा ही ह्यूमिडिटी है, बहुत ज़्यादा। पूरे दिन सर पे पसीने ही आते रहते हैं। रूम में एसी रहता है तो अच्छा लगता है, और बीच के अंदर पानी में रहो तो अच्छा लगता है। उसके अलावा कहीं भी पसीने ही आते रहते हैं भाई। मतलब 10 मिनट्स के लिए हम लोग बाहर गए थे, लग रहा है बनियान पीछे पूरा भीग गया है, इतना ज़्यादा है ना बाबा।
Become more tired.
Yeah, but believe it or not, Swati is having her life's best time. Alva?
Yeah. Obviously it will be.
Now few people will ask me, are you not having good time? Oh, even me. But she's having more good time. हम लोग रूम दोबारा आ चुके हैं। मैं होटल वाले को एक बार कॉल करूँगा कि भाई तुम रूम चेंज अभी करोगे या नहीं। अगर उन लोगों ने बोला कि सर 5 मिनट्स 10 मिनट्स, तो मैं निकल जाऊँगा बाहर, और अब मैं आऊँगा शाम को। देखते हैं। Sir, room number 285, sir. Sir, remember I called you for room change. Sir, I'm waiting from 9:30. If there is a time delay, let me know. I can go out and come later. Thank you. बोला है 2 मिनट में कॉल करेगा, देख लेते हैं। किया तो ठीक, थोड़ा एसी में हवा ले लेता हूँ। बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी लग रही है। टेम्परेचर हो गया सेट 16 डिग्री, और ये रहा एसी मेरा। आहा, सुबह क्या बन के निकले थे, हालत क्या हो गई है। Which one is ours?
This.
This one.
Yes.
So this is how water villa looks like here in any resort in Maldives. Usually it looks like this. Usually this is water villa. The villas on top of water. This is the right side and this will be the left side. If you can see very far, there is a Malé city. Tall buildings are there. I know you guys can't see much, but yeah, that is Malé city. Lot of houses are there. Lot. All city houses. This is how it looks like. This is one villa. This is second water villa. How it looks like. There's an amazing view. Amazing view, man. Really. Has a good view. Show you water. So clean. You can see downside what is there. Everything is visible. Everything. That is another island. That is Malé city. Tall buildings. So we are leaving this place now and going to change our dress and we will take a shower in beach.
I'll wear Monica dress.
We clicked few pictures and now we're tired, but so we're thinking to go to the beach. So we'll change our dress. Not me, but she will change her dress. Her dress is huge. And then we'll go to the beach. Every corner we are able to see people from France, Germany, Russian, and from London. More people are from this place.
You can't put "and" here. Many people are there.
Yeah, many. More white people compared to Indian or Asian. It's afternoon, 1 o'clock approx. We are dirty tired. Very tired.
Come again.
So now I'll show you the tour of my new house. This is how it looks like from the top. This is a small room compared to the previous one. Umbrella in case there is a rain. And this is our common area, living room. They have also given the map to go anywhere we want in case we don't remember where we need to go and what is the route of that location. This is our bedroom. This bed is different, or a different look compared to our previous room. That was great compared to this. This is mirror in front. I'm full of sweat. Damn. Oh my god. What is this? My goodness. Water. All coffees. Kettle. Mini fridge inside with stuff in it. Whatever we need, we can take it. Obviously, there is a charge for it. And this is our wardrobe. We have not yet utilized. This is a locker. We will utilize it soon. This is our washroom. Toilet. This is our big bath. This is how it is from inside. Close this. This is our luggage. We have kept it here. So this is how it looks like. One final view. मालदीव से जाना है, यहाँ से कल निकल रहे हैं हम लोग। जाने का तो दिल नहीं कर रहा है, आपके लिए कुछ मोमेंट कैप्चर करना चाह रहा हूँ। ताकि आप लोग भी थोड़ा एंजॉय कर पाएँ, देख पाएँ उसको एक वन लास्ट टाइम। थोड़ा आप भी देख लीजिए। यहाँ पे शाम के करीब 6 बज रहे हैं और ये व्यू है, काफ़ी ही अच्छा नज़ारा है। कुछ ज़्यादा तो अपलोड नहीं कर पाए क्योंकि हमारा फ़ोन लॉस्ट हो गया था। जो भी इस कैमरे से खींचे हैं वो आपको दिखाया है। थैंक यू सो मच गाइस, लव यू। I will miss you Maldives. I'm going to miss you Maldives. Thank you so much for the memories. Thank you. यार दुख इस बात का हो रहा है कि बहुत रील बनाए थे यार उस मोबाइल में, सब चले गए यार। दुख हो रहा है थोड़ा, मतलब बहुत मेहनत की थी, सब कुछ चला गया। अब पता नहीं वो कैसे आएगा वापस। आई जस्ट होप कि वो वापस आ जाए। मेरे सारे फ़ोटोज़ जो मैंने उस मोबाइल में लिए थे, जो कि जिसमें पानी घुस गया और वो स्टार्ट नहीं हो रहा है, बट लेट्स सी। शैल वी? पक्का? So we took everything?
Yes.
Pakka na Baba? Baba, take this bottle. We'll have it now.
Where?
We'll drink it. Flight is at 12 o'clock. We have 5 hours. We'll drink this water. Huh? In Maldives, one bottle is $15. 1 liter of bottle. Shall we, Baba? Baba, you took access card?
You take it from there. Oh,
I took it.
one is here, one more.
Baba, everything we have taken, no? Let's go.
And you keep it this.
For some time you hold. So we have kept our luggage here. They will come and pick it up. We are going to have breakfast. Come, Baba. Today is the last day at Maldives. Now we are heading towards our breakfast and then signing off from Maldives. Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah. The reception is almost a kilometer away. Yeah. Takes just something. You want to hold this? You hold this, give me a bottle. That's okay. You can wear this.
Okay.
Yeah. See? My blue shoe is shooting with this bottle blue.
So only you take it, huh?
But it would be more suited if you had given me this, my glasses. Blue. I have most of the stuff as blue because I love blue. So what do you want to say, Baba, as our last day at Maldives?
Still not yet. Another few minutes is there.
Another, I guess, in 30 minutes we have to leave Maldives at any cost. Speedboat will start in another 30 minutes. We have to make the payment.
Payment money?
Yeah, I have. So we have to do the payment of few things like we did little shopping from the island. We bought coins of Maldives as a memory for us, lifetime. The reason we didn't buy any dresses and all, because dresses will be having a period of time after which it get either rotten or you don't wear the same clothes for 10 years. But coins are different. Coins you can use it lifelong. So that's the reason we bought coins. And these are the two bills I feel. Yeah, just because we came to Maldives, there is a green tax here which we need to pay. For this particular island we have a green tax of $6 per person per night. So we have to pay that green tax too. And actually speedboat cost was covered together with our package, but hotel island people were doing a drama that we need to pay. So but I have asked my person who booked my flight and resort to talk with the hotel and discuss what needs to be done. My person said that you need not pay, so I will have a quick final discussion with the hotel person whether I really need to pay or not. They're asking almost $200 for speedboat travel. Let's see. And in that we need to have a quick breakfast too, but we have less time, so we have to make a payment, lot of discussion there, and then breakfast. And our luggage are still at our house. They need to pick it up. Let's see how it goes. Forgot to say you, but we are traveling towards Goa. We just got to know that our flight is going from Bangalore, so it will start from here, it will go till Bangalore, and then from Bangalore to Goa. I think probably we'll reach Goa by night, because because of operational failure in Bangalore there is a halt for 4 hours. So Baba, to avoid time wastage, you can go to have food and I will make the payment and come.
Yeah.
Fine, na? You can have your breakfast. You can have little more only, little for me too, so that you don't ask me to buy things for you at Goa. I am miser at these things. So she will go at the food court to have food, which is complimentary for us. It has hundreds of varieties of food. You need at least 1 hour to have food from there, but just because we have shortage of time, we won't be able to have for 1 hour. So you will go to have food and I will go to make the payment. Once I'm making the payment, I will come here and you can sit at the reception, just to make sure that our luggage has reached.
When you will have food?
Once after making the payment.
Then I'll be there. Hardly how much time it takes.
You better have food now. I will make the payment.
Oh, means I'm telling I'll be having breakfast. You make the payment and come and join.
Yeah, sure.
I don't want to finish my breakfast.
No.
Then again you going in every
No. I have to make a payment. My web check-in is also not done. We have to fill a health declaration form, that is also not done. A lot of things needs to be done. And we have a shortage of time. Let's see where it goes. Thank you, sir. We are waiting for our luggage to come. This is a speedboat from which we came. I am. Heading towards collecting our baggage, and then we have a flight in another 3 hours to Goa. Let's see how it goes. Flight was good. There was some up and downs for sure, which made my Baba a little sad. But tried my best to make her happy at the end. Let's see. I'll tell you the story soon. So here is our Bangalore. Finally, after so many days. Not really after many days, but after 5 days. We missed Bangalore, Alva Baba. What you missed about Bangalore? Tell me.
Bangalore ka
Food. Bangalore ka food. Bangalore ka food you missed. Home. Yeah, home and mom and father and some more for sure.
To limit the spread of COVID-19 infection,
हमारा वैक्सीनेशन चेक हो चुका है सर्टिफिकेट, और हमारा एयर सुविधा भी चेक हो गया है, और हमारा कुछ फॉर्मेलिटीज़ थे बैंगलोर एयरपोर्ट के, दोज थिंग्स आर डन. नाउ वी आर हेडिंग टुवर्ड्स कलेक्टिंग आवर baggage. because of COVID norms, because there are a lot of rules and regulations that we have to do. I'm controlling my toilet from last 2 hours. Finally got it, so going to do it. Finally arrived at airport, Bangalore. Collected our luggage. Now we have a lot of time today because our next flight at 4 hours from now. Go to money exchange once. तो हम बैंगलोर में अभी हमारे सारे काम हो चुके हैं. अभी हमारे लगेज भी ड्रॉप हो गया है और सिक्योरिटी चेक इन भी हो गई है. वी आर स्टैंडिंग एट गेट वेयर द बस विल कम एंड पिक. तो अभी सब कुछ हो गया है, हम लोग वेट कर रहे हैं. आज का दिन इट वाज अ वेरी टायरिंग डे, वेरी टायरिंग डे.
You can see our face how it has become.
Traveled a lot. It's evening 5 p.m. now. Flight is at 7:50. Earlier it was at 6:20, but flight has been delayed now because of that reason. They have made us to sit here for another 2 hours, but not a problem. We'll be waiting here. Called mom and dad, told them that we are in Bangalore. They were like, after coming to Bangalore again you are going to Goa. So I said them, yeah, after coming to Bangalore again we are going to Goa. And after going to Goa, we are coming after 3 days, and just because it was too much flight, there's a reason we are coming from train this time, because she have not experienced train in her life. I mean, she have experienced shorter journey, not the longer journey. So I have booked
I have experience in childhood.
But
again, see, flight.
But have you ever slept and went
Ah,
in train? Okay. I thought just it was just a sitting wala train. You slept and went. You went in sleeper class. Oh, okay. So that's the reason I have booked this time in train from Goa to Bangalore, just as an experience. Just an experience because there was too much flight. And
for a change.
Maldives trip was good. At the airport, I was almost crying because something happened which we will not forget our life. After coming to airport, we got to know that we had to fill Air Suvidha. Government have launched Air Suvidha because of COVID norms, which you need to fill it from the airport you are coming to India. So we were not knowing this. Actually, the reason we got confused because we had filled a government form for Maldives. Health declaration for Maldives. We thought that this is globally recognized. This is also for Maldives. This is also for India. But after filling Maldives health declaration form, when we went at the check-in, he said that you also need to fill the India health declaration form. My God, we were having photos of our passport, of our documents. Photo, right? You will be having photos, not the PDF.
Soft copy.
Now they were asking to upload the PDF, and I just have mobile with me to upload the PDF, and it was not happening. I almost cried. I think last time I cried like that probably 15 years back. I never cried like that. I mean, tears was not coming, but I thought I'm going to miss this flight. Lot of tension. Like heartbeat was too much, but
Staying in other country.
I thought I'm going to miss my flight, and again they're going to tell us to book another flight. I thought like that, and then my Goa flight will again miss. My train will miss. A lot of things will happen. All those things were running in my mind, but initially we were doing everything very fast. Things were not working. After 1 hour of struggle of uploading the photos or PDF, we got to know that we have to do everything slowly. She helped me. We helped each other, and we uploaded then. It got uploaded. Took a long breath. It was all set, and then finally arrived in Bangalore. Did everything, sitting here waiting for Goa flight.
Now everything went smoothly.
What you felt when you saw me almost shivering What you felt there?
Even I was intense, but I was not showing. If I was like that, then both will be like, mine will be lost. We'll be like messed up again, tension. I was like telling him, don't worry, be calm, stay calm. Finally, it went smoothly. Done.
Yep.